dysfunctional vet. This is a very old vise. I'm repairing this for a friend of mine who's down on his luck. He only had one vise in life and it doesn't work anymore. This is the housing for the thing. This is what you would mount down. Then you have your movable jaw, which would be opening and closing in this. You have your fixed jaw, which fits inside of here. And of course, the piece that expands and closes the jaw. Now what's real interesting is that there is a screw that fits down inside of this, and that screw is what causes this thing to open and close by working against this and right here where you see this slot. So we're going to clean this up. We're going to use a little emery paper to get some of the rust and stuff off. I've soaked it with a penetrating oil to get it lubricated. Now I just need to clean it up, and once I do that, I'm going to reassemble it. If you look right here, there's a little gap. That little gap lines up with this hole, and that's what causes this jaw to move out and back.